Which one's the best crypto asset? Well, Bitcoin's the best crypto asset. Okay. What's the second best? There is no second best. There's no second best crypto asset. There's a crypto asset. It's called Bitcoin, right? Right? There's no second best. Okay. But take all your money, buy Bitcoin. Then take all your time, figure out how to borrow more money to buy more Bitcoin. Then take all your time and figure out what you can sell to buy Bitcoin. And if you absolutely love the thing that you don't want to sell it, go mortgage your house and buy Bitcoin with it. And if you've got a business that you love because your family works for the business, it's in your family for 37 years, and you can't bear to sell it, mortgage it, finance it, and convert the proceeds into the hardest money on earth, which is Bitcoin. Which one's the best crypto asset? Well, Bitcoin's the best.
Welcome back, everyone. Just wanted to give you guys a little bit that we are seeing the Schiller Michael Saylor say this. And when did he say this, guys? Around 63K. He told people to take out loans and buy into Bitcoin at 63K. This is why you guys shouldn't listen to these clowns, especially Michael Saylor, who was accused of fraud twice by the SEC. Just a little reminder there, guys. Just a little reminder there. The echo is for effect. The echo is for effect. All right, Grandpa is figuring out how to use the stream layout perfectly. Sorry, guys, a little bit inexperienced here, but we're gonna be getting into exactly what's happening in the market. Giga Chad over here was at had a little emergency at his mining home, but got that all cleared up with, and we're gonna be getting into the market right away. Guys, just remember, just listen to this one more time.
Crypto asset. Okay. What's the second best? There is no second best. There's no second best crypto asset. There's a crypto asset. It's called Bitcoin, right? Right? There's no second best. Okay. But take all your money, buy Bitcoin. Then take all your time, figure out how to borrow more money to buy more Bitcoin. Then take all your time and figure out what you can sell to buy Bitcoin. And if you absolutely love the thing that you don't want to sell it, go mortgage your house and buy Bitcoin with it. If you've got a business that you love because your family works for the business that's in your family for 37 years and you can't bear to sell it, mortgage it, finance it, and convert the proceeds into the hardest money on earth, which is Bitcoin. Which one's the best crypto asset? Well, Bitcoin's the best crypto.
Just remember that. Michael Saylor said to mortgage your house, sell your business, put it into Bitcoin. All right, he said that at 63K. Just a little reminder, guys. He was investigated twice by the SEC. Investigated not once, not once, right? But twice. Be careful who you guys listen to. You guys know how many times these influencers that you watch were investigated? Probably a few times at least. But let's go see. If we go to 63K, just giving you guys a little warning. All right, just giving you guys a little warning. They're down around 46%. That sucks. They were down over 50% at one time. All right, so let's get into the Bitcoin graph real quick. Mega Chad over here has been trading. You guys keep calling me Mega Chad, so we're just going to roll with it, roll with the punches. What do we see? We've just been trading out of these zones. I have my bot set up on all of these ranges, so I've been sleeping. I got a little 3 hours of sleep. If you guys cannot tell, I have energy. I have energy, okay? We are going to be getting into some great trades to be looking at as of right now. We do have almost a calm before the storm. This is what I'm saying. Yeah, we hit 33K Bitcoin. Yeah, around there. Let's actually go into the exact level that we hit with Bitcoin. We actually hit this 3,300 level. This was in a channel. We formed a new support level here. So we're going to go put that line in there. Put one there. That's a new support right there. And then one right there as well. So we have this new channel, right? New channel has formed. I really want you guys to understand that. Now we're in... I'll keep that anyways. You guys are a little confused then. But yeah, we formed a new channel within Bitcoin. We've been bouncing off these ranges in the past, and we finally had this breakdown, guys. We finally had this breakdown here. Now we're having a little bit of a pump up off this 33K. I guarantee you that if we do not break this I would say 36K level within the next day, Sunday is going to be a bloody Sunday as predicted. And why? Because that's historically how Sundays are. I'm not trying to scare you guys into panic selling. I'm just letting you know crypto's a dangerous place. You guys might not like me. I don't want you guys to like me. This is an unemotional channel. I'm just showing you how the world really is. It's a rough world out there, guys. They will kick you, they will lie to you, and they will beat you down in crypto just to get some funds out of you. Happens all the time. I won't be doing that on this channel. I'm extremely unemotional, and you guys are just going to get the truth and only the truth. So do me, Congress. But yeah, let's get into exactly where we see Bitcoin doing. What patterns do we see with Bitcoin right now? Well, we had this downtrend. We finally broke out of this downtrend, had it run up right here. Could not hold this 35K exactly as predicted. And then we drop back down, and right now we formed this new level at 33.66. And right now we are going to be running up to probably either this support right here at 34.641 or this 35. What have I been telling you guys? Short the market at 35, 36, 36,500, 37K. Not financial advice, but it's not the worst thing to be shorting the markets. You guys want to be liquid, okay? When we have this volatility in the market, I know some of you guys do not have time to do this, right? You guys have jobs, you have wives, you have kids, you have husbands. Some of you guys even have a lot of dogs, right? You guys got a lot of puppies. But I'll tell you right now, being liquid, having the ability to have control over your portfolio and buy these dips, make these gains when they do come, I promise you, your wives, your kids, your puppies, whatever you have, your jobs, your 40, 50, 60 hours a week job, I can make it as easy as possible for you. I can give you the tools so you will be able to buy the dips on your own. You will be able to find these resistance levels, and you're going to be able to, like have this liquid money. You have fiat, right? You buy the dips or you short the tops. And you guys can do this very easily, especially when we're very, very pumped up or we're hitting a major support level. I know this is a little quicker time frame trading that we're doing right now. For any of you guys that don't have too much time, I really suggest I will be posting very easy to follow videos, maybe 2 or 3 times a week, just to inform you guys on that, doing market updates. But yeah, I really want you guys to understand, it does not matter how busy you are in life. I promise you, all it takes is just a few hours a week, maybe within 3 or 4 months, you have that liquid portfolio, you're ready to go in on these great prices, and yeah, you're good to go. I'm sorry I didn't tell you that when Bitcoin was at 63K, but I didn't tell you guys to buy the entire market, mortgage your house, sell your business to buy Bitcoin like Michael Saylor did. I didn't know that was going to be the top. With Michael Saylor saying that, I actually saw that as an indicator that we were going to hit around 70 to 80K. I do remember that tweet. It was pretty funny. But yeah. Someone said I sold my BTC and bought an alpaca from a farm in Peru. Alpaca farms are actually pretty profitable, guys. That'd be a cool life, huh? But yeah, that's cool to hear, man. Hopefully you and your alpacas are doing fine, but we got to get into some trades. We got to stop the shenanigans. So we need to be making a higher high right here. All right, if we don't have a higher high right here, if we have a little bit of a downtrend, right, we bounce off of this 46.77 level, exactly as predicted. We're probably going to be heading down towards the 33K to this 35K. Normally we have a lower low compared to this dip that we have here. It's on the 15-minute chart. Let me put it on the 7. I put the 7-minute chart in here. I like to have 7 minutes. I don't know why. It's just a weird number that I actually see a little bit more trends. Just my opinion. But yeah, we have a lot of support here. We have a lot of support up here. If we do not break through this, we're probably going to at least go down to this 33.609 level. If we break through this 33.317 level, we got a new channel down here, guys. Maybe we'll form a new channel, right? But I do see this 32.500 coming into play. We're very, very close, guys. Closer than you could think. We keep on bouncing up. And we can't break through because we have low volume, and we just keep on going lower and lower and lower. It's like we're doing a forever ending limbo with Bitcoin. Gotta have some comedy, guys. Even if you're down a lot, it's just at the end of the day, you're learning. Okay, you're learning. Um, there are ways where you guys can stay in profit. You guys can stay liquid with your portfolios and really learn the power of buying at the right times and selling at the right times, not getting too greedy, aka stop loss, aka take profit. You move your stop loss up when you're in profit, it hits, you're waiting for the good opportunity. You might wait a few days. You got to be patient, you have to be strategic if you want to be successful in crypto. But let me actually eat the rest of this orange. I'm completely sorry, guys. Pretty hungry. But we just see these altcoins continue to pump up, right? We've seen them pumping up, but then we see these we see these altcoins doing massive leverage. What's leverage? They're doing like 2x what Bitcoin's doing, 3x. Some of them even 4x. Even some of them, Matic and HNT. But we really need to make sure. I'm not echoing. Am I echoing, guys? Am I echoing? Oh, we forgot to do a sound check. I can't. You guys can't hear me. Stop. Stop. Right. I had a lot of technical difficulties earlier. Sorry, but what we see right now is we see these alts doing those leverage, and we're going to be getting some alts because you guys are going to be able to make more profits from these alts than just Bitcoin. But you need to have your eye on Bitcoin at all times, like I do. I actually have a monitor with almost around 6 different time frames on Bitcoin, and I'm always looking at it when I'm looking at these different alts. Don't worry, guys, I am. But I am looking at these alts too as well as we do these videos. So I am keeping my eye out. Mega Chad alert, guys. You guys, if you guys do have multiple monitors, it's going to actually improve your peak performance by around 33% per monitor. But yeah, I know some of you guys can't afford monitors, or you guys are just watching this on your phone. You guys can still be profitable. Just take your time, have patience and strategy, and really get learning and educating. And make sure you're liquid. Make sure you guys have a liquid portfolio. You guys could just have a liquid portfolio at all times. You don't need a hodl. The hodl myth was created and it was abused, and it's something that I'm going to recreate. I'm creating books, guys. The actual entire free dictionary for you guys to be able to learn and understand just about everything you're going to need in crypto. Yeah, it might be long, but if you guys study this book like you had to study classes in your schooling life, you will be successful. That's what I want this book to be like. Completely free, completely free. All right, so sushi short, $11. Right, what do we see with sushi? $11 would be a beautiful short on sushi. We were all the way up here, guys, at 22 not long ago. Look at this, guys. 71% drop of sushi. What do we see from here? I'm just looking at the downside, guys, because I do see a bloody day ahead of us. Sunday, maybe Monday, I'll be talking about more longs. Why will I be talking about more longs? Because we'll probably have a lower price in Bitcoin. I just see the downtrend right now. I'm just focusing on the trend. I don't want things to be bearish. I wish they were bullish because then more of you guys would be happy. But things are looking bearish. Let's be completely honest. Let's cut through the bull crap and get with you on that. So I do see a $9 to $10 zone that we're in right now. Let me actually put the ranges real quick. There's a $9 to $8 range, and we broke through this $10 to $10.147 range. And right now, what do we see with sushi? Well, we see this downtrend emerging. There's a few trends I can draw out. I don't want to totally confuse a lot of you guys. We'll just start off with trends. If we break through this, that means Bitcoin went up, and that means that sushi will probably break out to this 11 possibly dollar range. That would be a good short. I'll chart some more great shorts on sushi above here. Yeah, you guys probably want to be waiting for these shorts. I always tell you guys to be patient, to wait for these higher prices because they do come. And when you do put in these shorts, make sure to put your stop loss in. Put your stop loss around 2 to 3%. Do not do too much leverage if you guys are new to the short side of things. A lot of you guys don't even know what shorts are. I was so surprised on how many of you guys do not know what shorting is. It's absolutely amazing to see and gauge a perspective and really see how the retail investors are doing. I'm not saying that as a bad perspective. It's great because then I can help you guys and really see how everything is doing. But we see sushi on this downtrend. If we break out, that means Bitcoin breaks out. Sushi's doing a 1.56 ratio to Bitcoin. Not too much, not too impressive. But this one's a very, very easy one to judge because I'm just judging it off of Bitcoin. Let's go into Ethereum. We'll go into Ethereum. So $2,300 Ethereum. Really trying to get this around 1743. Trying to hit another long trade. We had a 56% trade last dip on Ethereum, guys. 56%. We got our stop loss hit though, but it was trailing. We see Ethereum looking absolutely ripened at the moment. It is following Bitcoin. Wait, you think ETH hits below 2K? Don't know if I should buy or wait. You should buy at this 17, 18, 19 level. I would say that's good dollar cost average into there. 3 buys. We don't dollar cost average. We just put 3 trades. Okay. Dollar cost averaging on the dips is like a given, but you need to find these support and resistance, or else. What's your success rate? Right. You have a higher success rate. You have a higher gains probability if you guys do it on these channels. That's just a proven fact, and that's a proven statistic. Okay, you guys don't go with these gut feelings. Don't go, we're all buying at 1747 because it's my favorite number. No. But I do see this definitely hitting probably in this 1820, 1890, maybe 1950 would be even a good buy as well. But 1745. Post a video about 135K Ethereum. See that happening within 5 to 6 years possibly. But you guys have to understand how instrumental Ethereum is going to be to the blockchain. They are the future. They are the future. Golden cross. We have not had a golden cross. Jordan, get out of here, man. Get out of here. But yes, Ethereum is going to be absolutely instrumental to the future of crypto. So this is going to be a really good thing to buy on these dips. Make sure to take your profits. If we have more dips, you buy, you sell, maybe a short if you are getting into that side of things. If you're a little bit freaky, maybe you'll get into shorting. Sorry. Not having it today, guys. All right, so let's see what's down the most. VRA, small caps. You guys are getting wrecked. I always have VRA. Get all the rocket ship, VRA emojis. What do we see with Zen? Zen's still pumping, guys. Zen's still pumping. This is going to be a very, very, very profitable short if we do reach these 37, 26, even 47 zones. Very profitable on Zen, I see. I've been just trading this one kind of all day. I've had a lot of AI trades on it as well. But very, very kind of following Bitcoin exactly, but around 3 to 4% X leverage. So if Bitcoin goes up 3%, this normally goes down or up 3 or times 4 to 3, so 9 to 12%. Very good. But yeah, I do like Unizen, or I do like Horizon as a company itself. I do like their fundamentals, but very good trade at the moment. That's what we're looking for. Emotionless. We don't care what they do. We just care if they're going to make us gains or not. That's how you guys have to have your mindset, right? Do you care what this company fundamentally does if you're trading them? No. You care about the TA. You care about how much percent they're going to go up. You care about how much percent they're going to go down. And anything else, you just throw it out of your head. And you look at the TA. All right, what else? So we see SKL looks like a juicy pick for the dip. We'll go into that, Andrew, if it's that juicy or not. All right, so let's map this one out a little bit. Some people don't like this this whole range thing. They're like, I've been doing TA for 10 years and I don't like this range thing. Guys, ranges are how you trade crypto. I know this isn't stonks. Even in stonks, I would use ranges sometimes when I was trading Forex. But with stonks, these ranges are very, very easy for me to show you. Yes, I do use a lot more indicators, guys, but these ranges are very, very easy for a basic person to understand, that you guys can have around, normally around 50% to 40% success rate. And if you're using leverage, that's a good RR, to be completely honest. So yeah, really make sure that you guys understand that these ranges, yeah, you got to trade in and out of them at some times, but that's only if you guys are doing that on the 5 minute. If you guys are using ranges on a 30-minute, 45-minute to 1 to 2 hour, the 30 to 45 minutes around a 55% success rate, in the 1 to 4 hours around a 65%, or 70, 72, I think. I'll need to look at. But guys, that's pretty goddamn good success rate just for learning what ranges are, learning how to set your buy orders. That's if you're setting it above the wick level, and really look at Bitcoin. Really look at Bitcoin. That's what we do on this channel. Waves. We shorted Waves. Waves was one of our best shorts that we've had so far. Hopefully she'll pump back up, and then we'll be able to get some more shorts in. Just wait to short, guys. I'm gonna wait for this little pump with Bitcoin before we really get acclimated into the waters again, to the bloody mess. I do have a few longs in, but not financial advice. I'd be very careful longing. My long success has not been too good today. I know some of you guys might not know what I'm talking about, but if you guys watch, you pay attention, you might learn something. I have books in the description that will help you a lot more than I will. A lot more than I will. Free books, go read them if you guys really want to get into this. I will try and help you guys along the way, and I just want you guys to know that you guys can become a good trader within a few months, but you need to be patient. Do not FOMO in. Do not even put a dang trade in with real money unless you guys have a high success rate. You've done over 200 trades, 300 trades with fake money. That's my go-to saying, I guess you could say, because you guys will get burned. You guys will make your mistakes. You'd rather make them with fake money. Pretend it's real, all right? Oh, it's boring, but if you pretend it's real, not boring. So we have this trend line down here. SKL, I was going to go through SKL. These are just basic trend lines. I'm going to go into Fibonacci probably tomorrow. I know some of you guys are probably familiar with Fibonacci. I do use that to trade, but I can almost map out Fibonacci without the indicator because I've been doing it for a little bit, so you kind of pick up on things like that. But we'll go into Fibonacci tomorrow. It's a big word, okay? We're just going to call it Fib, but it helps give some great buying levels as well. But what do I see with Nano? Nano, we had this at the flash crash, $4. We do get to that 28 level, guys, which isn't far away. 26% with Nano. The hell was it called? TCL, I think, or SKL. Juicy short, he said. He called it juicy. How much is this? Is this a juicy? Yeah, that's pretty juicy, man. That is pretty juicy. Guys, give me some other juicy trades that I can add to my portfolio. I'd appreciate it. I'll chart them out. I'll get into them. And those of you guys that are struggling right now, you're sad that you lost gains, use it as motivation, right? You want to sit there and lose money because you're not putting in the time, you're not focusing, you're just watching videos and you're like, why isn't this working? Why isn't this working, guys? Remember this. Michael Saylor told you guys to take out loans and buy into Bitcoin at 63K. No wonder why you're losing money, because you guys are only watching people on YouTube and influencers. You guys have to be able to be the guy who can really understand this market on his own to be profitable. I can tell you that right now. These people on crypto Twitter, don't trust them. These people on YouTube, even me, guys, don't trust me. I mean, read those books, but that's free info. Maybe you guys can't trust me, but yeah, don't trust me. No, but yeah, I made this YouTube channel, guys, just to try and get the word out of stop what you guys are doing. People are really going to affect large effect on everything. You're gonna have a large effect. So this is what happened in 2017, by the way, guys. The shill effect, the domino shill effect. Probably why we're having this large of a pump. We had BitBoy, I believe, that's said to not buy into crypto, or he sold some. And that guy has over 1 million subscribers, guys. Over 1 million subscribers. And you guys got to think how much panic and hysteria that caused in the markets. Whoops. That's a pretty good short right there. I'm gonna. Careful, guys. Those are not the best lines right there. Let me fix that. I know these channels are really small, but I'm going to be trading this like minute-to-minute trading where I'm scalping almost. Or I'm signing it up to be scalped, not by me, but by an AI program. And I can tell you guys how that AI program works. Buys above, right? I'm literally teaching you guys how to be AI yourselves. Yeah. All right, so you guys trade within these ranges, right? You buy the bottoms, you short the tops, right? You long the bottoms, you short the tops. You have your stop loss 2 to 3% below. If you see any sort of weird looking candle patterns, then you know not to buy in, or you're going to know when to short or sell. You just need around the 45 to 65% success rate. Read those books I have linked in the description. Read up on how the market movers really try and move the market. You guys are going up against market makers, people who will push these prices up or drop them down. They're your competition, right? They're the people you're going up against, right? And then the people who both you and the market maker are actually kind of on the same teams, but they're still trying to steal your money. But who you guys are going up against is these retail investors that hodl, and you're just driving their price down through this trading war that goes on every single day. Trading wars, guys. Retail versus market maker. They're your competition. You decide your fate, and if you figure out what they're doing, you will love them. I'm pretty good friends with the market makers, guys. We have some conversations through the charts a few times. Could see some things that they're trying to do. I know I'm taking a little bit of a long time on SKL. I promise it will be worth it. I promise it will be worth it. This one's looking very, very primed up. I can't believe I missed this. Maybe we could come all the way down here. Oh, how nice would this be if we can go? That's nothing, though. That's only 70%. How much did this drop? What? 87? Set this one in our watch list. All right, what else? What else? It's all fake news. Nothing is gonna drop. Are you related to the Patels? I know a few Patels. Very, very wealthy. Some Patels. We'll do ADA for the fans, for the ADA fans. Everything's following Bitcoin, so keep that in consideration. ADA does not have much price action. It's just following Bitcoin. If you guys are hoping for a $4 to $8 ADA, you guys are going to be waiting a long time. I would say probably over 6 months for an $8 ADA, maybe even 12 months. I mean, that's still pretty good profits. That'd be around this 5x. Or 5x. I'm giving a lot of hope. I'm saying that it'd probably take around 18 to 16 months for that, to be completely honest. I know you guys think I'm just pulling these numbers out, but that's my current estimate, and that's a serious estimate. So we went over ADA, we went over that. So I'm going to go through Manic as well. Manic is looking like it's primed up to be shorted again. We've been playing with this one quite a lot. I do see this level around 8.3 as a major resistance. They break down off of 8.3. They've done it a few times. If it pushes up to 1999, you guys know that that's going to be a very profitable trade right there. Let's go over One Harmony. This one's up 4% today, so that's a great thing to see. I'm going to wait for it to push up probably to around 9385, 9385, or 11 cents. It'll be hard to get 11 cents, but Harmony's a great platform. I do love Harmony. I do love their team. I love everything about them, but they're just pumping up a little bit too hard. Let's go into Bitcoin and show you guys how to find the trends. I'm going to show you guys exactly how to buy the bottoms. All right, so what you want to do to buy the bottoms, let me pull up a chart for you guys. Let me pull up a chart. This might work. One of these, and you'll start naming them. All right, here we go. So what you're doing is you're going on actually, let's go into the RSI real quick. Let's go into this indicator real quick. We actually have it here. I'll show you guys how to buy the bottom. When's the bottom going to be, right? Where's the bottom? Where's the bottom? Where's the bottom? Well, we could be at the bottom right now, but it's highly unlikely in my opinion. Tomorrow might be the bottom, or Monday. Let me go on Bitstamp. Sorry, a little bit tired tonight, guys. A little bit tired. I'll show you guys how to buy the bottoms. When's the bottom going to be? All right, so you're looking at Bitstamp, right? Look at the tops on every single bull run, right? Let's circle them. We have a boom. We have a boom, and we have a boom, and we have a boom. And you guys need to understand that we do have some sort of support line that Bitcoin is on right now. Or that it needs to break through. If we break through this support, we're probably going to come down here. You can chart RSI. I don't find it the best practical, but I'm just showing you guys how much lower we can go. I would say when we drop into this red level, right, this is when you guys buy. You guys buy in this red level, right? That's around 15% drop in Bitcoin. We can go to this RSI down here. You guys need to make sure to really take into consideration that we could go lower as well. But this is kind of nearing the bottom. This is where you guys are going to want to buy up your stuff. Right here, right? This is when you guys are going to buy, when we're in this zone. If you guys want to figure out how to use this indicator, guys, look at every single year. Boom. Boom. Every single dip, right? But yeah, it's a very good indicator. It's pretty accurate. Pretty accurate. It's that one right there. Known trading RSI EMA control zones crypto crown. I am on trading view. All right, now let's go into the EMA levels, show you guys how to calculate the bottoms with the EMA levels. I'm going to show you guys exactly how to calculate when we're in a bear market and when we're going to be going into a bull market and when's the best time to buy. Whoa, whoa, whoa. It's going to be when is the best time to buy. All right, anyone who's out there, listen to me. This is going to be the best time to buy. We're going to be going under over it right now. So you guys see this? We're around 31% underneath this gray level, right, on the 3 hour. You see that when we're in a bull market, we stay above it. Made multiple videos on this. Right when we hit this all-time high, every single bull run, go look into it. We hit this all-time high. We dip below this, right? We have a downtrend, and it's a bear market after. So technically, from a data analytical standpoint on that right there, we are in a bear market. But let's go here. Let's go here. Yeah, we normally bounce above it though as well. So that's why I was bullish a little bit, but we've already had that bounce above it. All-time high, right? Dip, lower high, dipped below it. We know that's a bear market, right? But once we're underneath this gray line on the daily indicator, right? So we're going to go to the daily. We find some very, very good zones to buy. I think even if we do the weekly, it'll be a little bit better. We'll have the gray EMA on the weekly, I forgot. It's going to be on the daily. But yeah, once we dip below this gray EMA, those are great buying zones. Great buying zones to get in. Guys, look at underneath the EMA, right? Or underneath this gray line, right? Boom. That's a great buy zone. Look at that upside. Underneath the EMA, right? Boom, great buy zone. And these normally happen during a quote-unquote bear market, right? Underneath the EMA. Boom, buy zone. So once we get underneath this gray level right here, this is the 444 level. I'll show you guys how to use this indicator as well. Boom, when we're underneath this, you buy, right? And boom, shoot up. Underneath this buy. Boom, shoot up. And you want to know what we're at right now? We're not underneath it. When we go underneath it, crypto experts are going to be telling you to buy. I would definitely put some buy orders in, guys, when we get underneath this. Set your stop losses, but great thing, great thing. So, now that you guys have some secret juicy info that is very, very important. Let me show you how to set this up. 8 EMA, I believe it's this indicator, possibly. Yeah. Right. Yeah. Here's my 8 EMA. Dial. Boom. Here's my EMA and SMA. People pay money for this, guys. For this info that I'm giving for free. You guys can rewind it and screenshot it. Go chart out Bitcoin on the lower time frame. We're still in this downtrend, guys. Look at this. We have these push-ups. We talked about this, right? We have these push-ups with Bitcoin. Go up, right? We'll reach a certain support or resistance level. Boom, we'll shoot down. And then we'll hit this certain support level. Boom, shoot up. Then we'll normally consolidate or have a lower high, which a lower high would be like right here. After we drop down from here, maybe we consolidate, right? And then this is like the lower high, I guess you can say. And then boom, drop down again. Then maybe go up a little bit more. It's just kind of a constant pattern of downtrend. I mean, that's what it is. Not looking too good for tomorrow because Sundays are normally bad. We'll probably have a dip in the middle of the night tonight. Could not probably, but we could definitely. Wouldn't it be out of the possibility, guys? Wouldn't it be a far off possibility? All right. Yeah, shorting is basically saying it's going to dip, right? You make money when the market dips, right? For those of you guys that don't know, whoa, you can make money when the market dips. Michael Saylor could be shorting the market. Your mind's blown a little bit. I know. It's crazy. There's a lot of things that you don't know. Books in the description will help you a lot. And you have a friend called YouTube. You look it up on YouTube. You can look it up on Reddit. You guys can learn a lot of information. Even those of you guys that watch me that are very experienced, you guys know. Reddit's the way to learn. For any of you guys, a lot of good topics on Reddit. A lot of good things on Reddit and YouTube. I would stick off YouTube for a little bit though, with some of these influencers. Rune has had a lot of volatility today. I don't know why my graphs aren't loading. I don't know why they aren't loading. I'm on the same trading view account. At least I think I am. Probably not. Wait. I'm not loading. Alright, so with Rune right now. With Rune right now, we are pushing to this upwards level. Because Bitcoin's a little bullish, right? In the very minuscule term, I would look for some shorting levels on Rune at these resistance levels right here. You have $11. Highly doubt that's probably going to happen. Yeah, we have $10.11. And we have these $12. Channel this out on the bottom, on the downside. So that's the little channel right. A little range, guys. A little range. Oh, he doesn't know what he's talking about, guys. Okay. I know I'm doing this very fast. Probably should be slowing down for some of you guys, but looking for support and resistance. I'm pretty keen on doing it. I would have something that sets it up for me as an indicator, but I figure that you guys rather have me do this, and you guys will learn a lot more by doing it yourself as well. Interesting. Alright, so what do we see? I still need to chart this out a little bit. Just live charting with you guys. Hope you enjoy. You're learning a little bit. Trying to find the ranges. Do some lines, some trend lines as well. Hopefully I'm not going too fast. I know I kind of am for you guys. A little bit under the weather right now. So it's more of a trend line. You guys could use past data to really find out what's happening. Look at, we have this trend line down, broke out of it, boom, to the upside. How much did it go? Probably like 20%. Then we had this top right here. You guys see this top? Kind of looks like a head and shoulders a little bit. Don't worry about trend patterns, guys. Really just focus on these resistance levels. Like, look at, I could have bought there, long there, boom. It broke through this, I would have shorted. This is my, would be a great level to short at when you see it break through two levels, boom, boom, short, hit, boom. This is what I have my PI set. Hopefully I'm speaking English okay. Just a downwards channel, really. I'll be going to sleep soon at some point. Yeah, I would say that's it. 1095 for 12 11.7 to 8, 11.689, great short levels, and all of these above. Going to Manic. I don't know, we did Manic. We'll go into Cody. Me gusta Cody. Did you guys like that Ethereum live stream? Let me know. Let me know in the chat right now. I'm interested to hear because that was a very deep fundamentals, and we don't do deep fundamentals on the channel, even though we probably should be. But it's a little bit boring. It's not attentive, receptive, and that's the part with learning where if you guys want to be successful, you guys got to control your dopamine levels. Most of the time. Some people make money off of their dopamine. Yeah, guys, really make sure to let me know on that. You love Hoff. He's a great Canadian fellow. Not Michael Saylor. I just like to toy around with Michael Saylor because he's a complete hoax. He's been invested by the SEC only a couple times, guys. He's trustable. He's trustable. You know, banter the bags. He's giving away the banter bags. You guys buy Bitcoin, $5 million in a year. People don't know. Ethereum for the win. I'm not an Ethereum maximalist. I'm just unemotional, and I realized that with my unemotional self, that Ethereum's better. And that Bitcoin has a lot of problems. Don't worry, guys. Not getting emotional over here. I can promise you that. Not getting emotional over here. Hopefully I'm not too toxic tonight. I think I'm a little toxic. I could feel it. I had two rigs catch on fire, by the way, guys. Woke up to some smoke from equipment catching on fire. The good smell of metal burning to wake you up after a 3-hour nap, after staying up for like 60 hours, whatever it was, like 24 hours. I love it. Good old smell of metal burning. Money going down the toilet. Supercomputers, guys. I'm not gonna rant about my life. That's a little emotional right there, guys. You see that? A little emotional. It's okay. Probe through it, boom, push up. Things can only go down for so long without a little retracement up, by the way, guys. Things aren't gonna drop like aren't gonna drop as fast as you might think unless they happen within like 20-30 minutes. They can drop very, very fast, by the way. They can drop very, very fast. The live stream the other day was awesome. I wish we could do more. I would have stayed in all day just to learn. I appreciate that, Johnny boy. Yeah, that's the goal on this channel. You guys are gonna learn. We're gonna make the most profitable crypto channel in all of the cryptoverse and the most educational. We're really gonna stop the scamming, the shenanigans that's going on in crypto, and strictly be unemotional, unattached to these materialistic views that these people have. And that they're methodically planning just to get rich from crypto, which is easily possible with the right strategies and with the right mindsets and patience. Not saying to do it, but all I'm saying, put your whole life savings into Bitcoin. Not saying that, but what I'm saying is, if you guys have patience, you have strategy, you can be very successful in crypto, but you need to work for it. You need to work for it. I can't do everything for you. You got to do it. I know I'm going to motivate some of you guys, but some of you guys are going to be like, oh, no, this guy's full of it. I don't want to work. I have blah, 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 blah. There's a guy, guys. There's a guy on my Discord. He has 7 kids. 7 kids, and he's doing this. He's got 7 little rascals. He can make a whole football team with them. Pretty cool. Shout out to you. Crazy. 7 kids in like 50 hours a week working, guys. I think 60. I'm not saying, I know your lives could be harder, but imagine having 7 kids, guys. 7 of them. quick. I'll be ending the stream soon. But let me check over which. Michael Saylor's in the chat, guys. SEC is looking for you, Michael. All right, but yeah, downtrend with Bitcoin right now. I will stream again if it does go below 32 or 33. We bounce off of it. We're in the safety zone. If we go below it, we'll probably go to around 31.15 or 31.074. Then we have this 30 zone. Let me chart out these zones all the way over here just to give you guys some safety while you sleep. You guys can put these zones on your chart and know while I'm gone, you guys are in good hands. Just make sure to figure out what these alts are going to do, right? That's so now. We get some wick downs to there. You guys are going to be in safe hands tonight. I wouldn't even say this is really a zone too much. Catch on the upside. We're all the way down here to 25. We don't have much support or resistance here, so this is why people think we're going to drop all the way down here. But you guys can make new supports. We've seen it happen multiple times. You can make new supports, guys. Happens all the time, but it doesn't happen that often. All right, guys, it happens sometimes when you make a new support, but it does not happen often. It is possible, especially when we have all this volatility downward. We'll make new supports all the time. It won't be exactly at certain levels. All the way down to 17K to give some bears some happiness. Move this. I need to move this down a little bit. Yeah, but that's looking good right there. All right, so that's gonna be the end of the stream. There are your levels, guys, and I will be streaming bright and early tomorrow. Tomorrow, Sunday morning. I do have a few things to do still tonight, but hopefully you guys have a great night. Hopefully you guys are going to be learning. If you guys are watching on a Saturday night, I really appreciate it. I really do appreciate it. You guys spending your Saturday night to learn and to get educated. Very, very great thing to see. Okay, if you guys keep it up, if you guys keep up your work ethic, it will pay off in the future. I can promise you that. Those of you guys that aren't, and you guys are going to be lazy, you guys are going to watch that Netflix chick flick, whatever it is. You guys are missing out on some gains. Come on. But yeah, that's really all I gotta say. Hopefully you guys have a great rest of your night, and I will be streaming tomorrow.